What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha and memes in our private Discord, accessed by signing up to our Patreon. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So we're just taking a look at Sandbox here. This is actually a crypto that we've been requested by one of our community members in our Discord. So shout out to them. We'll be doing this video today for them. As you can see, Sandbox, we've actually drawn in some rudimentary, technical analysis here, just as our precursor. Kind of a look at Sandbox before we dig into it a little bit more. But you can see here, obviously, this is the Binance chart for it. Not entirely sure when Sandbox launched, but if this was the launch, you can obviously see the huge move to the upside that we did have. Depending on whether or not this was the launch, you can see just how crazy this launch actually was. A big move to the upside here, and then a little bit of sell-off consolidation. This is obviously the logarithmic chart. And you can see here, we kind of came down, formed kind of, you could argue a bit of a trend line here, where we have, initial launch, we come down, we find a little support, so you could probably draw your line in here. You can see here, we actually had a really nice pump throughout the start of the bull run here from December 2020, up to, around that April-May all-time high here of around 90 cents. A really nice move here of around, what is this, 30x? Maybe 25x, 20x. A really cool move off the bottom here. Obviously, big move. Nice retracement level back down to that previous swing high there as support. And you can see here, we come down, we perfectly retest our trend line, don't we? Retest, every single time getting the bounce. Obviously getting oversold in these areas here. And then you can see ever since then for Sandbox, we have been on moving to the upside again in a big way, by the way. Obviously, we've drawn our fib level in here from this high to this low, as we often do with a lot of cryptos, from that, March, April, May high down to that June, July low that we did see for a lot of cryptos. Fibonacci drawn in like this, and you can see how confluent all of the levels have been since we have drawn that Fibonacci. And you can see here 618 here, resistance, support. We come up, retesting the 078 for a long time here as support, resistance at the all-time high, come back down to support, consolidating, going sideways, and then bam, massive move to the upside all the way up to the 161. We get stuck under it, we come back down to the 141 as support, bam, another massive run up. We front run the 227 extension here up at around $8. Look at that. That is $8.50. That is a crazy move, isn't it? When you think that this, let's just say the bull run starts down here at 3 cents, 4 cents. I mean, this is a crazy multiple. Gaming crypto doing extremely well, and you can see just how technically this is trading right now. We've actually, we've come all the way up. We've front run the 227. We've sold off. We've consolidated, and obviously the market's been starting to roll over. But look how bullish that Sandbox is actually looking here. We've come down to the 161 as support. Currently retesting it as support here. We absolutely created out on the RSI in a big way right now. The most oversold we've ever been on this chart, by quite a considerable margin as well, at around 26 here on the RSI. Looking very oversold indeed. I mean, this chart, it's just up and to the right. It's bullish, isn't it? It's super bullish. Even with the recent market bearishness we've seen, Sandbox does not seem bothered at all, really. It's just higher highs and higher lows. We could come all the way down here to $2 at the trend line, get the bounce, still looking really bullish. We could come all the way down to, maybe even down towards $1 like this. Extended correction, new move to the upside. Overall, Sandbox, it's looking fantastic, isn't it? This chart just looks absolutely incredible, but we do think gaming cryptos in general, they've all looked really good for a long time. Obviously, gaming crypto being one of those, trending, kind of popular, let's say, it's kind of the niche thing at the minute that people are interested in, gaming crypto and NFTs. They're the cool things on the block right now, aren't they? And they have been, proving their worth in terms of price action for sure. So we're super bullish on gaming crypto over the next, 3, 4, 5 years. Even this year, super bullish. We do think that it's probably going to decouple from the crypto market in general. Because when people are playing these games and they're earning money, just like they were with Axie, these things are just going to run. They're going to run regardless of market conditions, because they are going to be, in demand. They're going to be used. And it's just going to be really interesting to see how Sandbox fits into all this, because it's looking really bullish right now, isn't it? So just before we do short-term price predictions then, we would like to just direct your attention quickly to our free Discord in the description. Totally free to sign up. It takes like 10 seconds. You click the link, you click join. You'll get loaded into the waiting room. After around 30 minutes, we'll approve you. We like to approve everyone manually so we don't get any bot spam. The community is absolutely fantastic. It's been growing like 300 or 400 people a day for a long time now, looking really, really good. We're really super excited about it in general. It's just, we've had like 500 new people in the past week. It's just absolutely amazing. We've got all kinds of different, content in there, all in one place. We've got daily updates for the market. We've got technical analysis. We've got memes. We've got, altcoin gems, all being posted, the crypto news, all being posted in the free section of the Discord. Please go check it out. And then if you want to, get a little bit more of an edge on the market, we are offering Patreon membership. I think it's $9.99 a month, and you do get access to the, basically the rest of the private Discord, all in one place. We've got daily signals for Bitcoin, so you can, get an edge on what might be happening with potential trades. We've got alpha in there with all kinds of new risky projects that could turn out to be, potentially 100x returns. We've got all kinds of content in there. So if you're interested, please go check it out. But at least sign up to the free one. As we said, totally free. No reason why you shouldn't do that. So you can see here, Sandbox right now, coming down, retesting the 161 here. Nothing, nothing to be concerned about. If we get a big capitulation in the market, we've got the, what is this at? We've got the 161 here at 280. If we lose that low, we've obviously got swing low here at 230. We could find support down to, towards that the 141 extension, sorry, at 192. Very strong support as well. Heading back to the upside, we want to see this, previous support flipped into resistance, retested at around $4. But, this chart, super bullish, isn't it? I mean, we could expect this, in our opinion, long term. We're coming back up towards that 227, maybe even going $10 plus for Sandbox this year. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank you all so much for your support. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our own personal portfolio, super low cap gems, 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting to members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come and join a community rich with value and content. Remember, you can also join our public section of the Discord too, where we post news, technical analysis, daily updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are all in the description. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.